Welcome viewers. Let's learn how can we make beautiful 5 type of lines in MS Word through shortcut. We will also explore some other lines in the same document. This will give a good look to your CV document XYZ. Remember, I have already made a video on flexible lines of form in MS Word and MS Excel. Thumbnail of the same would be available in right top corner of this video. So let's watch it on the screen. Now let's go, and MS Word is open. 3 times minus from your keyboard, enter a narrow line would appear. Now to create a bold line, 3 times shift plus underscore, so bold line would appear. Now let's go, and 3 times is equal to with double line. Again shift plus hash and enter 3 times multiple line. Now 3 times shift and star dotted line. Tight button with shift key 3 times and zigzag line would appear. These are 5 shortcuts. Now sometimes it doesn't go delete with ordinary deletion, so select all these, go to borders and select no border. The line would disappear. Now go to insert and then shapes and take any line, simply draw it. Let's see how many variety of this line is available. Drawing under format, these are different lines available in design layout. Click the line and shape format at the end by pressing right click. This is responsible for coloring line. Again, its thickness and transparency if you would like. Now make it more thick. Again, compound type, these are types. Again, line types, dotted line, a thick line, whatever type you or design you would like. Now let's check another thing, ends of the line. You can change the arrow type, one type or both sides. You can even make it round. Now at the end, let's go and select your CV and go to insert and then shape and draw a rectangle to make it more presentable to the reader. Draw this and right click. Now no fill and click on the line or right click format colors. The same way you can change color, line width, type of line, and now you will see that your CV is more good or more attractive. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.